Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to the family world. Today I'm going to tell you how to make your hair black without chemicals. Market hair dye give you instant results, but they damage your hair as well. So I'm going to tell you how to make a henna paste. I'm going to tell you two-step procedure in which you can make your hair jet black. So in my first step, what the ingredient you need is amla powder. So this is amla powder. I bought this from eBay. You can buy this from eBay or Amazon. This is organic amla powder. You need 3 tablespoons of amla powder. So just put it in an iron pan and start roasting it on low flame. When you roasting it, just keep on stirring the spoon and roast it until it has a brown color. Now you can see it is turning brown, and I am going to add half glass of water in it now because it's gonna burn otherwise. So I have added half glass of water in it, and I will cook this amla powder with water for nearly 5 to 10 minutes, and in that between that time it will forms into a thick paste. While this amla mixture is cooking, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make tea and coffee mixture now. So we need 2 tea bags and 2 tablespoons of coffee. You can have any coffee brand. So just put it in a cup and add half cup of boiling hot water. Mix it very well so the coffee should be mixed properly, and just let it cool down. Now I think this amla mixture is ready. It is already thickened now. This is the consistency we need. Now just turn the stove off and then keep it aside so it cooled down. So once it's cooled down, then we will add, now it's cold already. Now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of henna powder. I am adding 6 tablespoons of henna powder because I have shoulder length hair, but if you have longer hair, you will need more henna powder. I'm going to mix this henna powder with the tea and coffee mixture. I will add slowly this tea and coffee mixture, and I will keep on mixing it. I will not add in one go because I need to make a smooth paste. Now I am going to add yogurt in it, 5 tablespoons of yogurt. If you are making more quantity because your hair length is longer, then what you need to do, you need to add more amla powder, more henna powder, and more yogurt. Tea and coffee would be enough. You just need to add more water into this tea and coffee quantity. Now you don't need to increase the quantity of tea or coffee, only you need to increase the quantity of henna and yogurt and amla. Now the paste is ready, it's very well mixed. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this paste overnight, and I'm going to wrap it with the cling film. I'll leave it for overnight, and in the morning it will be ready to apply on my hair. In the morning the paste will be like this. You can see the sides, they are a little bit blackish. What you need to do, you need to mix it with the brush very well, and then after mixing it you can apply it on your hair. Now the question is how you are going to apply. What you need to do, you need to make sections in your hair, and then take one section, apply this paste from root to tip, and cover all your hair perfectly. Now after applying it, you need to cover your hair with the shower cap and leave it for maximum 4 hours and minimum 3 hours. After 4 hours, just wash your hair off with mild shampoo. Now I'm going to tell you the step 2. In step 2, you will need indigo powder. This is organic indigo powder. You can buy this indigo powder online on eBay or Amazon. Just type in organic indigo powder and you will see many brands of indigo powder. You can buy whatever you like. This indigo powder will cover the brown hair and they will turn into a black color. So when you dye your hair with the henna, you will get a brown color. On those brown hair you're going to put this indigo powder, and then your hair will turn into a black color. Now I'm going to tell you how to mix this indigo powder. To mix this indigo powder, you will only need warm water and indigo powder. Just try adding this warm water slowly into the indigo powder and keep on mixing it. Do not add this warm water in one go, because then you won't be able to keep the right consistency. Now I'll show you how the consistency should be. It shouldn't be very thick, it shouldn't be very thin, it should be in between, the like paste kind of little thin paste. It shouldn't be thick paste. The paste should be like this. It's not ready to apply. We are going to keep this for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes we will apply this paste on our hair. You are going to apply this indigo paste next day in the morning, and not on the day when you applied henna. So in the morning you're gonna make this paste around 15 minutes before. Just mix it and keep it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes apply this on your hair. Now this paste is ready. Mix it very well again and just apply this on your hair. Make the sections. Take one section, apply this paste from root to tip, and then cover all the sections one by one. Put this paste on all over your hair and then cover it with a shower cap. For best results, you have to leave this paste for 2 hours. After 2 hours, just wash this paste off with only water. If you can't wash it with water, just use mild shampoo, but I will suggest to wash it off with water. After washing off, you will see your hair are like little bit greenish. Don't worry about it. Next day it will turn into a black. So I know this is very long procedure, but it is completely chemical free, all natural ingredients. They will not damage your hair. If you use this method to cover your grays every month, it will stop your hair fall, it will improve your hair texture, it will increase your hair growth, because all the ingredients are natural and chemical free. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much for watching. For any questions about this hair dye, please ask me in comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Remember our team in your prayers. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.